The cryptocurrency market is growing. Hence, many traders are turning their attention to meme coins like Shiba Inu. Although SHIB has had its ups and downs, fresh applicants with actual value and long-term development potential are starting to show. One such initiative generating buzz is Rexas Finance, RXS, a cryptocurrency distinguished for its creative approach to real-world asset, RWA, tokenization and passive income via distributed finance, DFE. Rexas Finance is a fascinating choice for investors looking for significant returns since its current pre-sale price is nearly $0.175 and shows an amazing 9,600% surge to $17. How different is Rexas Finance from meme coins like SHIB? Rexas Finance is distinct from meme coins like Shiba Inu, which are generally motivated by speculation, hype, and community emotions. Although SHIB became well-known mostly thanks to social media exposure, Rexas Finance provides actual value for the cryptocurrency market. Instead of a speculative token, Rexas lets users build tokens based on actual assets, including real estate and commodities, bringing actual investments to the blockchain. Rexas Finance allows fractional ownership, enabling people to invest in high-value assets that are generally out of reach. The Rexas Token Builder users can tokenize their assets and present digital ownership, allowing access to worldwide marketplaces. Another unique quality is the Rexas Launchpad, which lets asset owners raise money for tokenized assets, offer liquidity, and generate fresh investment prospects. Rexas Finance is a long-term growth prospect with significantly more stability than the volatility linked with coins like Shiba Inu, which differentiates it from meme coins. Rexas Finance and passive income opportunities. One of Rexas Finance's most fascinating features is its capacity to create consumer passive income. The platform lets investors earn stablecoins by tokenizing actual assets and engaging in DFE events. This function creatively allows consumers to diversify their portfolios and get consistent returns by combining real-world asset stability with cryptocurrency's adaptability. Rexas Finance adds real value to the table by tokenizing assets with inherent worth, unlike meme coins, which offer speculative investments without any underlying use. Blockchain technology allows investors to access markets, including real estate, commodities, and more, all via power. This attracts crypto aficionados seeking practical blockchain uses and gives conventional investors a reason to regard cryptocurrencies as a reasonable investment class. Rexas Finance's capacity to connect real-world assets onto the blockchain as DFE develops could cause great acceptance. Should the platform keep attracting investors and expanding, it will likely see notable expansion during the next crypto bull run. Conclusion. With such tremendous pre-sale success, innovative asset tokenizing technologies, and a dedication to security, Rexas Finance, RXS, is rapidly becoming one of the best investment options for the upcoming bull run. Unlike the speculative and hype-based meme coins like Shiba Inu, Rexas Finance offers actual value and growth prospects. It's the aspect of actual asset tokenization in the project which separates it from most other altcoins that currently gain popularity. Should Rexas Finance continue picking up speed, effectively reaching strong listings on bigger exchanges in the first quarter of 2025, its value might shoot upwards pretty fast. For investors targeting a real utility token with ample long-term growth prospects, the choices are interesting, and it includes Rexas Finance among one of the cryptocurrency market's choices today.